Good morning, students. We are studying physical features of India. It is lesson 2 of geography. We have studied that India has 6 physical features in which we have discussed about Himalayan mountains, and now we are discussing about northern plains of India. Northern plains of India is made up of by the interplay of three rivers Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra, and its area is 7 lakh square kilometer and length is 2400 kilometers and breadth is 240 to 320 kilometers. And now we will discuss about three sections of northern plains. Northern plains is broadly divided into three sections. The western part of northern plains is referred to as the Punjab plains, and it is formed by Indus and its tributaries. The part of northern plain which is in Punjab is called Punjab plains, and it is made up by the river Indus and its tributaries. Number 2 is Ganga plains. It extends between river Ghaggar and Tista, and it spread over the state of Haryana, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, partly Jharkhand and West Bengal. And in Assam lies Brahmaputra plains. So we can say we have three broad divisions: Punjab plains, Ganga plains, and Brahmaputra plains. It is laid in Assam. Northern plains can be divided into four regions. The river, after descending from mountain, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of 8 to 16 kilometers in width. It is parallel to the slope of Shivaliks. It is known as Bhabhar. So here question will be define Bhabhar. So answer will be from here. The river, after jab nadi river after coming from the mountains deposit a belt of pebbles, and this belt is 8 to 16 kilometer wide and it is parallel to Shivalik range. It is known as Bhabhar. And another question is define Tarai. River create a wet, swampy and marshy region. It is known as Tarai. Now river brings two types of soil with it, and now we will discuss the difference between Bhangar and Khadar. The Bhangar is the old alluvial soil and Khadar is the new alluvial soil which is brought by the river. And Bhangar is the old alluvial soil. It is not so fertile, it has kankar and it is far away from the river. And Khadar, it is new alluvial soil, it is very fertile, it has no kankar and it is near the river. So this is a question of difference between Bhangar and Khadar, two type of soil brought by the rivers. Now we will discuss about the physical feature of India, that is Peninsular Plateau or Deccan Plateau. It is the oldest plateau of the world. Plateau is a tableland and it is made up of igneous and metamorphic rocks, and plateau is rich in minerals. It has broad and shallow valley and rounded hills. This plateau consists of two broad divisions, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Vindhya range is bounded by the Central Highlands on the south and Aravallis on the northwest. Central Highlands are wider in the west but narrower in the east. The eastward extension of the plateau is locally known as Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. Now we will discuss about the assignment. What is the difference between Bhangar and Khadar? Next question is write a note on northern plains of India. Question. Define Tarai. Define Bhabhar. Name the highest peak of Eastern Ghats. Name the highest peak of Western Ghat. What is the difference between Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats? Thank you.